shoulders. And then, pag sinabi ni Ate Spear na get up, paunahan kayo ng partner nyo na humabi yung up. Okay? Okay, practice. Put your hands in your head. Head, shoulders, 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 knees, knees, knees. Get up! Get up! Okay, gets na. Okay. Okay, ready na to ha? Paano na to? Game na to, okay? Put your hands in your... Isa ka, baby. Sa line na yan. Put your hands in your head, 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 shoulders, shoulders, knees, knees, knees. Wala pa. Ready, ready, zero. Toes, toes, toes. Head, 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 shoulders, 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 knees, 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 head, 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 toes, 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 toes. Baby, kaya mo pang yung buko? Toes, head, head, knees,